In lesson 1 of this Ukrainian mini-series, we learned how to say
Я турист тут. Де кафе? Кафе тут. Дякую.
Now it's time for another bite-sized lesson to show you how easy it is for you to learn Ukrainian. A secretary is
Секретар. Секретарка.
if it's a woman. A dietitian is
Дієтолог. Дієтолог.
a manager is
Менеджер.
a doctor is
Лікар. Лікар.
so we have
Секретар. Дієтолог. Менеджер. Лікар.
and one more.
Мама.
Say them with me.
Секретар. Дієтолог. Менеджер. Лікар. Мама. Добре.
The word
Я.
you might remember means I am.
Я.
In Ukrainian there's no word for a,
Я туристка.
means I'm a tourist.
Я туристка.
So how would you say I'm a doctor? Medicine is
Ліки.
and doctor is
Лікар.
I'm a doctor.
Я лікар.
The chances are you're not a doctor, so you can say
Я не лікар.
if you give someone paracetamol or a plaster, you have a sentence to go with it. I'm a doctor.
Я лікар.
Or I'm not a doctor.
Я не лікар.
Let's revise our vocab.
Секретар, секретарка. Дієтолог. Менеджер. Лікар. Мама.
If you want to take charge of a situation, you can say, I'm the manager. But again, there's no word for the. How do you think you'll say, I'm the manager?
Я менеджер.
If you don't want to be in charge, you can say, I'm not the manager. What's that?
Я не менеджер. Добре.
Good.
Це.
Means it or this or this is. The word
Моя.
means my if you're talking about a feminine noun. So to introduce your mum, you can say,
Це моя мама.
how would you introduce your female secretary? Or perhaps a lady who's helping you with some admin?
Це моя секретарка.
Dobre. Now, introduce your dietitian, a lady.
Це моя дієтолог.
You can say this about someone who's just given you cake for fun.
Це моя дієтолог. Добре.
Now introduce your manager, a lady.
Це моя менеджер. Це моя менеджер.
You can say this to introduce a lady who's running aspects of your life, perhaps.
Ще раз, будь ласка.
Again, please. This is my manager, a lady.
Це моя менеджер.
What about if you're introducing a man? You need to use
Мій.
not.
Моя.
This is my manager becomes.
Це мій менеджер.
Try the others. This is my doctor.
Це мій лікар. Це мій лікар.
This is my dietitian getting that cake.
Це мій дієтолог.
This is my secretary.
Це мій секретар. Це мій секретар.
We have the words for my.
Моя і мій.
The last words today are words that mean your. We're using
Твоя.
and,
Твій.
and these are the informal forms. For nearly everyone in the world, you can tell them, I'm not your mum.
Я не твоя мама.
How would you say, I'm not your manager?
Я не твоя менеджер.
If it's a man,
Я не твій менеджер. Я не твій менеджер.
and what about secretary? How would you say, I'm not your secretary?
Я не твій секретар.
To finish, let's put it all together. How do you say, this is my secretary?
Це моя секретарка.
And I'm not your secretary.
Я не твоя секретарка.
I'm your manager.
Я твій менеджер.
Have fun learning and using a little bit of Ukrainian. Copy the words from the description, then when you're ready, continue to the next bite-sized lesson. Я Ruth.
Я Оксана. Дякую.
Бувай.